Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. It's your girl T and you're watching T Cooks with Flave. If it is your first time here, you already know the drill. I want to welcome you. Or you won't know the drill because it's your first time, right? Well, anyways, if it's your first time here, welcome. Welcome to the fun, welcome to the vibes, welcome to the food, welcome to the energy, welcome to the love. Like, today is a special day. It's a special video overall. I'm excited to bring this one to you. And yeah, I'm here just doing some florals. You guys know how I love floral arrangements. Flowers make me very, very happy. So I'm creating a centerpiece right now. So I'm working on it. I'm creating a centerpiece right now. It's my friend's birthday. I'm not going to let off too much information. I'm gonna just let you guys see what's about to happen today, but just know that it's a love day and I'm very excited. This is probably my first time witnessing or about to witness something like this with someone that I'm close to. So I am very, 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 very excited. We've been planning this now for a couple weeks and the day is finally here and I'm just excited to be a part of it. And yeah, I'm just grateful for this moment. I'm grateful for this day. I'm grateful for you guys. So I'm going to go fluff out these roses, and I had them in water since last night. Just so that they could open up some more. So right now I'm gonna do with them. If you guys can see a little bit. Yeah, so I'm gonna make this one very, very special. It's gonna be a centerpiece. I'm gonna just drop because I don't have a lot of space working with tonight. So this is gonna be in maybe like on the table, and then I'll put the food surrounding it. Usually I would do more florals, but the space won't allow based on what we're doing and where we're going, so that's fine. One is sufficient and that's what we're working with. So I'm working on that and I'm cooking at the same time because we're going. I'm gonna be bringing the food and I'm gonna get all dolled up, and just stay tuned. Like, go grab a glass of wine. This is a wine moment. Go grab a glass of wine and just be ready for all the excitement that I'm gonna bring to you. I'm praying for a beautiful day, beautiful night. I'm praying for good weather. The weather has been really good to us, so I'm praying for that to continue. And hi, Bryce. Bryce just woke up, guys. Come say good morning. Yeah, so now he's about to try to find out what he's gonna eat.
Morning.
That's not how we do it over here. Good morning, Flave gang.
Morning.
Good morning, Flave gang.
Morning, Flave gang.
No, a little bit more enthusiasm.
Good morning, Flave gang.
No, I want to hear like when you're talking to your cheesy friends and things.
No.
Come.
Good morning, Flave gang.
Tell the bass out of your throat, man, and say it good. Did you just fart?
No. I didn't. I did. I promise I did. I did. No, I didn't. I did.
All right, say good. Good morning, Flame gang. I'm gonna go one soon.
Go.
Anyway, guys, so let me go figure out what this one is gonna eat, because that's the question that's coming next. And I'm just gonna keep doing this. It's not gonna take me very long. And at the same time, I'm gonna cook and just do the do. I need to be out through the door by 4. So once I am ready, or if there's anything else that I feel like we need to include in the pan, if not, I'll see you guys later. Okay, grab a bottle of wine and just sit back, chill, and enjoy this video. Catch you later. Alright guys, so I did tell you that we have something special happening tonight. So all Shay friends, her closest friends are here. What do you have to say to the girl?
Happy birthday, and it's happening. Yes, 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 yes.
What you gotta say to the girl?
Congratulations and happy birthday. Happy birthday, congratulations.
Ooh.
Congrats.
Ooh. Gotcha. I love that. What you gotta say to the girl besides you're not planning her party again? Turn off the light, Kaya. Turn off the light, turn off the light, turn off the light. I can't see you. Turn off the light. What you gotta say to the girl?
Happy birthday and congrats.
Ooh. What you gotta say to the girl?
Happy birthday, sis. Congratulations.
All right. Congrats, girl. I can't wait to see you cry your eyeballs out, honey.
Yes.
What you gotta say to the girl?
Love is in the air.
Period.
Like if it goes lower, like.
Maybe it could. So we're gonna put the food here. Yeah, you can tie it lower. So down here, I'm doing the food. See, it's out here. So let me finish that while we wait on her. Huh? They are coming. That's them coming. She's with a blindfold. Watching my YouTube channel here. Oh my god. Congratulations, guys. Is a wife. Oh, is a fiance. Let me just go a little bit closer and see the bling bling. Let me see that bling bling, honey. Don't blind us now, honey. Let me turn on some extra light so we can see this bling real. Oh. Ooh. I will teach you. Your mother girl, you're good doing. He be blushing all night like it's his birthday. Love wins every time. So turn it.
Yeah, that
Yeah, just like that. Like you could show it.
That's real little. That'll last a
Yeah. We had a time. Yes. My girl said yes. Everyone is happy. She's happy. Hey, Shay.
Hey, I'm a fiance.
Wait, let me turn on some light, honey, because it's dark. You are what?
I'm a fiance.
Okay. My girl been with her man for 10 years, honey. She's finally a fiance. Mr. Who did the right thing?
Yes.
Yes, a big man now, you know?
Yeah, no.
Okay. Good morning, you guys. Listen. First of all, let me say congrats to Dwayne and Shay on your engagement. They've been together for many years, and for a young couple, I think this is a bold move. I know it's a scary move, but you guys got this. I'm extremely happy for Shay. Especially, she deserves this. Sorry, I was screaming so much last night that I lost my voice. However, I think Shay really deserved this. She, a couple years ago, I want to say maybe like 2 years ago, she found out she had cancer. And she beat cancer. She had surgery and, you know, everything. So I think she's so deserving. I'm so proud of Dwayne for making that bold move. As a young man, I know you have single friends who probably don't even believe in this whole marriage thing or whatever, but you know, you did the right thing. You know, they have their kids, and this is the start of their new chapter, and I'm very happy that I could have been a part of that and the planning, even though I know I drove him crazy. Me and Rochelle, we did drive him crazy. I'm so sorry. Oh God, but it turned out beautiful. And I'm very happy for them. Looking forward to the wedding, looking forward to just everything that will come, you know, from your union. I have a packed day today, so I am definitely going to close this video out and start a new vlog because I'm not leaving, none at all. So the other day I missed it for like 2 weeks, and then I blow up my phone and ask me what my day. But yeah, guys, I had a great time. I love celebrating love. I love, you know, just to see people happy, and that makes me happy. So with that being said, thank you for watching this video. Thank you to all those who played a role in making yesterday very successful. And yeah, I'm gonna charge up my devices and I'm gonna go get ready to meet Chef Reese because we have an adventure today. Chef Reese and the whole crew. It's not just Chef Reese, Chef Reese and the whole crew. We're heading to Jamaican Jerk Fest. He has a performance and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So stay tuned because my next video is going to be epic. All right, and big up to all my new subscribers. Big up to all of you who have been here. Continue to spread the word. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Don't mind me because I realize I'm all about attend them someday. It's all right. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.